Okay, so we're going to have a look at some challenging inequality questions. First one we're going to have a look at is going to be minus 5 over 2 greater than or equal to 5 minus 3x over 4. Now in this question we want to find the range of values that x could be. And this looks quite hard, we've got two fractions, but remember 5 over 2 is the same as 2.5. And we're going to treat it like we would solve an equation. We want to get rid of that fraction on the right hand side to find out what x could be. So multiplied by 4 gives us minus 10 greater than or equal to 5 minus 3x. Then we're going to deal with that 5. Let's subtract it from both sides. Minus 15 is going to be greater than or equal to minus 3x. At this point, we need to divide by the coefficient of x, that minus 3. So divide both sides by minus 3. We've got 5, and this time we're going to switch the sign of the inequality. Okay, so 5 is less than or equal to x, or x is greater than or equal to 5. But why do we switch the side of the equality? Well, if we have a look at this example, so minus x, which is greater than or equal to 1. If we think about the values x could be here, we could have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So in all these minus x, 1, 2, 3 is going to be greater than 1. So if we multiply both sides by minus 1, or divide by minus 1, doesn't make a difference, then we've got x and minus 1 now. And looking at our numbers above, it's got to be x is less than or equal to minus 1. So, key rule, if we multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, then what we need to do is make sure that we swap the direction of the sign. You'll notice here we had greater than or equal to, changed to less than or equal to. Works the same with greater than to less than, or less than to greater than. It doesn't matter. Right, the second question we're going to have a look at is minus 7 over 2 greater than or equal to 3 minus 4x over 3. And this is your chance here. If you want to have a go at this question, pause the video now, give it a go, and then once you've done it, come back for the solution. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 3. The fraction that we want to get rid of is this one that involves the x in the numerator. So multiply both sides by 3. Minus 21 over 2 is greater than or equal to 3 minus 4x. Now subtract that 3. Make sure we do the same thing to both sides. Remember that 3 is the same as 6 over 2. So that gives us minus 27 over 2 greater than or equal to minus 4x. Divide by the minus 4. Remember what we've just said, that we need to swap the direction of this inequality sign. So 27 over 8 divided by 4 is less than or equal to x. And we can rewrite that out as x is greater than or equal to 27 over 8. And just a little thing, 27 over 8, we can work out, is going to give us an answer of 3.375. Hopefully you found that useful. Thank you for watching.